Detain and handcuff a 13-year-old solely due to his proximity to an adult suspect. Under Terry v. Ohio, detention requires individualized, reasonable suspicion, not association. Proximity alone is legally insufficient.
No, I'm not mad. I don't like them. I mean, is my sign not, is it too subtle?
You're
Entitled to be protected by the First Amendment, wrap it around me like a big old blanket while I stand out here with my giant Larry Hogan sign. I don't like the governor.
I won't comment on that sort of stuff. I'm just doing my job.
You're here because you want to be. You should have told them there's no crime. You should have said there's no crime.
We have to come out for everything. If we get a call, we have to come. We have to come out here. That's it.
What was your name?
Officer McKenzie.
Mackenzie?
Yes, sir.
Arnold? B. Arnold. Am I being detained? No, I'm free to go. I'm free to continue protesting also.
I'm free to stay here too.
Absolutely, it's a free country. I'm glad you know that. Make sure you recognize that when you try to charge me with disorderly conduct because you don't like the content of my free speech.
Why are you being nasty?
Because I don't like it when cops try to tell me what is and is not allowed on a political
You
sign.
didn't do that. You told
This guy did. He said that my free speech could be considered disorderly because someone got offended and has thin skin. I'm sorry, but every person on Facebook named Karen doesn't determine my free speech rights. I mean, seriously. I mean,
You're
I don't...
nasty dude. You know that?
I am a nasty
You
dude.
know, if you want to get your point across, if you're just a little nicer to people.
Why would I care? This is my message verbatim. This is right from my heart.
Well,
This is my deep felt political belief. It's my protected free speech, and I'm going to continue to display it.
The wrong way.
What's the right way?
Be kind to us. We haven't been nasty to you at
This
all.
guy said he's going to arrest me for
I
disorderly.
didn't arrest you. Rewind the tape. I said, lawyer, you can quote the lawyer, you can quote all this stuff all you want. But if your protest becomes disorderly conduct,
You're saying this while they're burning down cities in Wisconsin, and you're saying that my sign is disorderly? Come on.
I'm not saying we agree with it.
Seriously, you guys are out of your mind. You think I'm disorderly. Dude.
I'm not the one holding that
Dude,
sign.
man.
I think I'm out of my mind.
Oh, you think I'm crazy because of my thoughts? It is at my level. Let me tell you. It's So we're just waiting on your whatever sergeant, commanding officer.
Going up right now.
Where?
So, if you're standing out here holding the sign, I don't really have a problem with that.
You do because you stopped and told me I'm going to jail. That guy did. No, you didn't. You've been nice. This guy's not been very nice. Yeah, you said you're going to throw me in jail for free speech. I'm not hearing it. Have a good. I'm not talking to you. I'll talk to this lady. All right.
Okay. Okay, so we came out here because we got a call. We have to come out for everything. I understand you have your rights, freedom of speech, all that. This is considered a protest, right? You're peacefully protesting,
It is.
correct?
Right. Have I lit any cities on fire today?
No, sir.
Come on.
So, listen, hear me out, right? So as long as you're not jumping in traffic or causing any harm to people.
Or running with scissors or
Stuff.
taking candy from strangers, getting in the back of a van. I know.
Whatever you said.
Yeah.
Whatever you said. You want to stand here and hold the sign?
That's what I'm going to do.
All right, sir, have a good day.
Hey, you too.
Ultimately, the child was released without charges, but the legal questions remain. Length, force, and circumstances matter, especially when minors are involved. The Constitution does not disappear during investigations, and officer safety is not a blank check. Watch carefully, know your rights, and decide for yourself where the constitutional line should be drawn. In this video, a routine police investigation takes a disturbing turn when a 13-year-old child is detained for nearly 40 minutes, handcuffed, and placed near K-9 units, all while his mother watches helplessly. Officers claim it's about officer safety and an ongoing investigation. But the child himself is never accused of a crime. The real question isn't about emotions, it's about constitutional limits, and whether law enforcement crossed a legal line that the Fourth Amendment was designed to prevent.
Who you just called? You say you just called somebody? I will call him and ask him, can you... go ahead.
My son is on the way over here.
Right.
He's talking like a couple streets over. I can almost guarantee as soon as he gets here,
Right.
he's going to tell me to take those handcuffs off. But until he does, I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You can call you'll call your superior, bro, and tell him right now. He good to go. You know who you pulled over in the car, bro. You know who you was looking for, obviously.
Listen, I understand your concern. I do.
No, man, the concern is you traumatizing a little kid, man. He's only 13 years old. Yes, he is a fucking kid, man. What you mean? That's a little enough, man. What you mean? What you want your child fucking handcuffed, man? All right then, so let him go. What the fuck you mean? He should not be sitting there, period.
Like I explained to you, as soon as he gets here,
Huh?
we can probably do that.
It ain't no problem, man. You should be able to call. You just said you called him.
Okay.
All right, well, what's your badge number and all that, man?
75.
What's your name, man?
Petrol.
Patrick, what's your name, man? And you condone this too? You let him just keep him handcuffed?
Yeah, he says he's handcuffed.
All right, okay. Bro, you know, I've heard of Fourth Amendment before?
Yeah.
You know Terry versus Higher, right?
Yeah, that has nothing to do.
Yes, it do. He's occupant of a vehicle, man. Just being in proximity of somebody, being in proximity of someone else that committed a crime does not mean he committed a crime, man.
Okay.
All right, and that's violence of his Fourth Amendment rights, bro. You can't be saying her head coming no damn kid. Huh?
There's infinite case law.
You make that fucking decision, man, when you pull over somebody, bro. You make the decision. You an officer, right?
Yeah,
all right, so you violate his Fourth Amendment and just let him sit there? Yes, you are. He had nothing to do with your investigation. He had nothing to do with your investigation. What probable cause you had to have that child sitting on a damn car like this, bro?
Why are they able to talk?
Why? What probable cause you have to have him sitting there? Because I'm yelling because it's a goddamn kid on the car, bro.
Okay.
You traumatizing him. What are you traumatizing him for?
I've already explained this to you. I'm not.
Well, you don't matter about explaining it, bro. I know the truth. Everybody else knows the truth.
You can stand out here and yell and create as much of a scene as you want. It's not going to change anything.
It don't matter, but we're going to make sure it's going to change something when you be in court. You going down to the federal building, bro.
That's fine. I've been there before. I know.
Okay. So you bragging about that, huh?
Yeah, I've been in federal.
So okay. And how much you cost the fucking the city of Livonia in lawsuits?
At all, because I follow the law to it.
So you ain't cost the city of Livonia nothing lawsuit. You ain't got no complaints against you?
Not even a little bit.
I guarantee you got complaints against you. We're going to find out too.
Well, that's what we said.
Oh, we definitely is. We definitely is. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. You got to sit on the ground. What the hell is wrong with you, man?
Teen police investigation takes a disturbing turn when a 13-year-old child is detained for nearly 40 minutes, handcuffed and placed near K-9 units, all while his mother watches helplessly. Officers claim it's about officer safety and an ongoing investigation. But the child himself is never accused of a crime. The real question isn't about emotions. It's about constitutional limits, and whether law enforcement crossed a legal line that the Fourth Amendment was designed to prevent.
How you doing, sir? I don't want to give you a hard time or anything, but I can't let you go to that sign.
I'm sorry, the First Amendment protects my free political speech. You're live on YouTube, video and audio recorded. It doesn't matter, you're not the free speech police. I have a constitutionally protected right to say whatever I want. I'm politically protesting Governor Larry Hogan. It's my First Amendment right on the right to petition, my right to redress of grievances, and my right to file a complaint in any manner I feel fit. By the way, I'm not trespassing. I'm on public property. I'm on a public,
Despite repeated objections and no new articulable facts, the child remains detained for an extended period and is placed in a patrol car near K-9 units. At this point, the detention arguably shifts from investigatory to de facto arrest, raising serious Fourth Amendment concerns.
Crosswalk, I'm doing nothing wrong. I got a sign that you find offensive. That's not a law. Where in the Maryland Criminal Code does it say you cannot have an offensive political sign? Because free speech is not open to your interpretation.
I understand. We just got a call for it.
I understand you got a call. You made your best shot. I'm not leaving because I haven't broken any laws.
Okay, there's a thing called disorderly conduct.
I can't hear you.
There's a thing called disorderly conduct. If somebody finds your sign and your actions to be disorderly in public, okay, then that is a charge, and we can ask you to leave. Do that, you can get arrested.
Get your commanding officer out here because this is political free speech, and I'm protected under the First Amendment.
Why are you shaking so much? Are you on an influence or anything?
Oh, now you're going that route, trying to say I'm on drugs.
I'm asking you. You're shaking like a leaf.
Sir, we're not trying to be nasty to you or anything like that.
It's free speech, and you can't do anything about it. Call your state's attorney's office. I talk to my lawyers every day. I'm in the newspapers. Every state's attorney's office reviewed it and said you can't do anything about it. It's free speech. You're not even supposed to be talking.
I'm not arguing.
Okay.
You're right. You're right about free speech. We have a call because people are offended by your sign. So
But I didn't offend them. They offended themselves by not liking the choice of words I have for the governor.
how long are you going to stand out here for?
All day.
You live around here, sir?
I'm not making any statements.
Okay.
Other than the fact I haven't committed any crimes, and you know it.
Hey, sir. I never said you committed a crime.
You said I was disorderly in public, and I'm not.
No, actually, I didn't say
I'm engaged in constitutionally protected activity, and you cannot make any law that will infringe upon it, nor apply any law that infringes upon it.
Sir, all I did was tell you why I'm here.
Okay.
I called about your sign.
This guy said I'm disorderly.
Okay.
If somebody
Question
finds
for
your
you.
actions to be disorderly, then they will be disorderly, right?
No, absolutely not. My free speech is not contingent upon someone else's emotions.
Okay.
You know that.
I have a question for you. We haven't been nasty to you at all. We've come here to talk to you.
He said he's going to arrest me for disorderly.
I didn't say that. I said
He
if
did.
someone finds your actions to be disorderly and disturbing of the peace.
I'm sorry, but they're not judge, jury, and
Be
executioner.
arrested.
Could be.
Could be. That's all I'm saying.
I'm engaged in constitutionally protected
There's not-
activity,
in my
sir.
statement, there was an if.
Oh, you're giving me what ifs and hypotheticals now.
That's right.
All right, let me explain something to you. I'm engaged in constitutionally protected activity,
Okay.
and I'm not out here protesting you guys or burning down your city. So why are you all so personally pissed off that I don't like Governor Hogan?
Officer